All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Joplin with Lexi Davis, turning 5 on Sunday, so you get to celebrate all weekend long, and this comes with love from Mommy, Daddy, and Baba.
Aw, Ace Wood is also turning 5 years old this weekend. Happy birthday, Ace.
And we've got Rayleigh Hayward, celebrating birthday number 6 in Altamont. Now, Rayleigh's a kindergartner at Altamont Grade School. She loves to cheer and dance, and this comes with love from Uma and Papa.
Let's see. The party was out in the bus earlier this week for Elizabeth King, who turned 7 strong on Wednesday. Hope you had a great day and are still celebrating all into the weekend.
Party stays in the bus with Riker Judd Saporitos celebrating birthday number 9. Riker, a very happy birthday to you.
All right. Kinsley Borland celebrating birthday number 9 in Loma Linda.
And we've got Miracle Clark celebrating birthday number 10. And Miracle is a 4th grader at Kelsey Norman Elementary in Joplin. A very happy birthday to you.
Aaliyah Lowry turning 11 years old this year. Aaliyah is in Chanute.
And we've got Dylan Bond celebrating birthday number 12 in Riverton. Happy birthday to you, Dylan.
And down in Diamond, Alexis Summon. I'm still pronouncing that last name wrong. Salam, I think that's right. Alexis Salam is 12 years old. That's a very pretty name.
Very, and a very nice picture. Alexis, happy birthday to you in Diamond. We've also got Tyra Bogle celebrating birthday number 18 in Chanute. Tyra, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and down in Miami, Jill Dowdett celebrating birthday number 37 this year. What a great picture there of Jill. Happy birthday from Leonard and Dylan.
And we've got Richard Westbury celebrating birthday number 41 in Franklin. And this comes with love from Jamaica. A very happy birthday to you, Richard.
All right, Cindy Ashmore celebrating birthday number 65 this year. Cindy is in Arma.
And we've got Bob Allen celebrating 93 years young in Girard. Bob, a very happy birthday to you.
Lyric Jarvis celebrating birthday in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.
And we've got an anniversary out in Yates Center. Tracy and Berta Park celebrating their 28th year of wedded bliss. A very happy anniversary to both of you.
All right. In Mound Valley, Luke Beller, they call him Frosting, celebrating a birthday. Marty Reno is 48 in Girard, and Shelley LaTurner celebrating birthday number 62 in Scammon.
And last but certainly not least, we've got John Wommeldorf celebrating birthday number 49 in both Girard and Parsons, because you see, John teaches school in Parsons, so a double town celebration for you. Very happy birthday for you. And if you've got a birthday or anniversary, Tanya's going to tell you how you get it to us.
Yep, you can send them to us. The easiest way is to do it by email. Just send it to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure to send all the details, their name, hometown, and their age, if you'd like to disclose that. Make sure you get their permission. And what day their birthday is. Don't forget that.
And, of course, while you're checking out our website for the latest news, weather, and sports, why don't you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You get some special deals from local businesses and a little birthday message from us. All you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right.